front door of the blue
I
house.
wonder when Dad's coming back. Dad's taking so long. I'm gonna wait for him.
Which one's our house?
The blue house with the store.
Uh,
Maybe I can grab something to eat from the fridge. My dad went to the store. I kind of have to do my homework. Go do some of my homework. Okay, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8, 8 plus 8 equals 16, 16 plus 16, 24, 24 plus 24, 48, 48 plus 48, 64, done. I hear some footsteps outside. Dad, hi. Come in.
Hi.
Dad, what are you having for dinner?
Let's go and check in the fridge. We have pizza and apples.
Okay, can I have some pizza? Pizza. Woo! Pizza!
Yeah, just pretend this is pizza. Pretend this is
Bro,
pizza.
apple pizza?
No, pretend this is pizza.
Whoa, okay, new type of pizza. Yes, some candy. Oh, you have to drop it from your inventory.
Huh?
Drop it from your inventory, not throw it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all your inventory. All your inventory, hold it. Thank you. I get apple cinnamon pizza, let's go. Totally pizza, but I'll just eat this apple for... Hello.
Hi.
Also finish my homework.
After lunch, you need to read a book, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go and be in the living room. Come get me if you need me.
Okay. What book? That one? No. This one? Nah. This is Dad's. Oh wait, let's see. Dad's diary. Dad's diary should be in here. Dad's diary. Let's read it. Let's read it. Sweet. He likes it. He likes John Cena. Whoa. He also likes Dwayne Johnson. Bro.
Why is there a bathroom in the living room?
I have to go down. Put the diary back. There you go. Dad.
Yes?
I'm done my reading.
Okay. You want to go to the park?
Bet. Yes. Woo. Park. Woo. Park. Dad, can we go camping?
Camping?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yes. 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 I love going there. I love going to the thing. Can I have a hug?
Yeah.
Yay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go play. Can I go under the tree? No.
If we play this again, I'm gonna be the child, okay?
Okay. Go.
I'm scrolling!
Dad, I'm getting tired. Dad, I'm getting tired. Can we go back home? Sleepy.
Yeah.
So, like, Dad, what's your favorite WWE? Do you like John Cena or The Rock?
The Rock.
Oh, okay. Andrew likes The Rock. Bro, what's all this in his diary? My God, Dad's actually silly. He likes... Wow. go. Easy Fortnite kill. Let's go.
What is that noise down there?
Do 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 do. Just taking a bath. Just taking a bath. Hey, I'm taking a bath.
Oh, I didn't know where you were. I thought I heard some noise. My son's diary? What? He has a crush on a girl at school? Oh, Jesus,
Ah!
here.
Hey, Dad, what are you doing in my room? Dad, what are you doing in my room?
Nothing.
Dad, what are you doing in my room?
Nothing.
Okay.
I'm just cleaning your bed.
Okay, you weren't by my
I was
bed.
making
but
your
okay.
bed.
Okay, I'm going to sleep. Today's been a long weird day. Oh.
Bedtime. Bedtime. Time to go to sleep. Son, it's time to go to sleep.
Oh, he just woke me up. Wow.
Sorry.
Oh.
Good night.
10 years. 10 hours later. It's the morning. Let's look, we're going camping today. Dad, wake up, 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 Dad, wake up. We're going camping, we're going camping, we're going camping, we're going camping. Ah!
Yeah, night. We're going at night though.
We're going now.
Why? It's the morning. Let me have a cup of coffee. Jeez.
Okay. I found your candy stash. What?
What? What? Wait, what you said?
Woo! I had cocaine last night.
Oh my gosh. You are excited. Okay, let's go. Let me go and get a car.
Okay, Dad. I'll be right in here. We'll play in the backyard. Fight me, tree. Come on, tree. Come on, tree. Are you scared, tree? Scared, tree? Ooh, you can dodge like that? You can dodge like that? What was that I hear? What the fuck? Dad. What is this? Dad, you know camping's that way, right? We're the whole opposite way.
No, this is camping.
No, there's like cabins over there. Dad, there's cabins over there. Scooting in a Lambo. Shush. Oh, guys, like and subscribe to the video. Yes, so we can work more
Where?
content.
Where?
It's over that way.
Which way
It's
is
near the
that
store.
way?
Go to the store. Oh, we're gonna. Dad,
like
are we
song?
there yet? Over at the store. See the cabins? The wood cabins? Over there.
Oh, I see.
Dad, what cabin are you having?
I'm having this cabin.
Oh, sleep in the same cabin. Okay.
I know. I'm gonna get some water.
So, I'm gonna go sleep. I'll try. Dad, can we go out camping? No? Look at the back. Backyard. I wonder where Dad is. I'm just gonna make some marshmallows. Even though it's a bright day out.
I don't have that emote.
Do it with me.
Oh, emote together. Okay.
Bro, what? You have marshmallow. The sun's going down. Dad, can I have a kiss? I was joking. I was joking.
Hey.
Hey, yo. Disclaimer. It's just a roleplay. You know what? Okay, let's go. Bro, Dad, are these free novels?
Free levels?
Novel!
Novels?
I thought I said Teletubbies.
What?
Hopefully that's not copyright, but I'm going to sleep.
Where's my room?
I don't know. You chose the one with the 2 rooms. Okay, let's go over here. Let's sleep. This house. You sleep in that house.
Which one are you in?
I'm going sleeping on this house. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm going in this house.
I'm gonna sleep in the one by
I
you.
kind of gotta clean this. I gotta clean this.
I'm gonna sleep in this one by you.
Okay.
To your
I
left.
gotta clean this
once
whole
you walk
house.
out.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh, I got a
chairs
whole
flip
living
over.
room. Ooh.
What does that have? Wow. That is a really good house. Okay. I'm gonna go.
I'm coming to your house to see.
We're gonna have some.
I'm seeing what your house
tonight.
looks like. Or cabin looks like. I have the same bed. Why do you
Dad,
have
what
a
are you
whole,
doing
like,
here?
grizzly bear?
Dad, why are you in my room? Cause it's my favorite animal. Totally my favorite animal. It's totally not wolves. I just like the instrument that he's holding. Yeah.
Why do you have a deer on your wall?
It's cause
Do
we're
you
relieved.
you do not hunt? Okay, come to my
I
house
hunt
and
little.
look at it.
I eat gingerbreads. I hunt gingerbreads.
Come and look at my house.
I already know what your house looks like. Bye.
Oh, you do?
I'm going to sleep. It's so hard to sleep. I'm gonna go outside if we can go camping. Like actual camping. So I do have some logs out here that you can start a fire with. Dad! 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 Wake up, Dad! Dad! Okay, I'm gonna go tell John Cena something that you
What do
want
you
to know.
want?
Okay, follow me. We're gonna go camping. I have wood outside my house, so we can go camping. It's at nighttime. The stars. Dad, we're still camping.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, that almost.
Yo, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.
And I am in real life too.
Okay, I'm just gonna go sleep and then there'll be that.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Please like and subscribe. This is the end of the video, and yeah, peace, guys.